going on, guys? First YouTube of the year, first day ice fishing of the year. Got my boy Roderick with us. Roderick will be frequent in these YouTube videos. So I was gonna make a video yesterday, didn't really have anything to video, so first video is going up today. So what I was going to talk about yesterday is just kind of the goals that I have for, the YouTube channel, some of the videos I'm going to be making. It's basically going to be some gear reviews, some of the stuff that I use, maybe some Lightroom tutorials, kind of how I edit stuff, Photoshop, sort of that kind of deal. Well, hasn't been the day we've been hoping for, huh? Kind of slow day out on the ice. Still a good day. Can't beat it, really. Been out here for how long? How long have we been out here?
How long have we been out here?
Yeah.
It's like, what, like 7?
Couple hours?
45, yeah.
How many fish do we have? You and I.
0. Big fat 0.
2 right here.
Couple 2-3 flags, but
Absolutely nothing going on here.
Dope.
Breakfast is good. As soon as you start cooking, it's like. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. If so, please like and subscribe. We'll be coming out with more content. Next video will probably be a product review, probably one of my lenses.